Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL 5. In this video I'll show you how to start acceleration timer. To activate acceleration timer, take a look at the instrument cluster. Press back button and now scroll right until you find the acceleration timer. Now press OK button, and as you can see right here we have to switch to sport mode. Now start accelerating to measure time. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.